So good morning everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. I am presenting the screen. Kindly confirm that the screen is presentable or not. Is the screen presentable? Confirm fast. So question number 1 and 2 were given as a homework. This we're going to start off with exercise 5.1. So are we ready? Exercise 5.1, today's date will be 09/08/21. Is everybody ready? Okay then, starting off, in which of the following situation does the list of the numbers involve make an AP? ठीक है? You have to frame a series over here according to the given condition, and you have to say that which of the series form a AP and the reason for the same. So a taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is 15 rupees for first kilometer and then 8 rupees addition for each and every kilometer. Clear? So for the first kilometer is 15. So the first series will be 15. Number of the series will be 15, and then 8 rupees per kilometer, right? So plus 8, then plus 8 to 23, then 33, 31 में plus 8, which is 39, and so on, right? So the series comes out to be like this. How many think this is a AP? What is the common difference out there? 23 minus 15, which is 8. It is same throughout, right? Because we have added 8. So we'll say that every term proceeds with 8. Therefore, this forms an AP. Is this first numerical clear to everyone? It's a fairly simple numerical. Yes, no. Should we move on to the next one? So, as it is, this was a homework. I hope people have done their homework properly. If not, then verify kindly. The amount of air present in the cylinder when the vacuum pumps removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So the vacuum pump is removing 1/4 of the air. So let the initial volume be V liters, since 1/4 is being removed. Therefore, next volume will be 1 V minus V by 4, which will be 3 V by 4. Does everybody agree with this? Yes, no? Yes or no? 3/4 of the volume is being removed. So we see out here that the common difference will not stay the same, right? Because the next volume will be 3V by V minus this much part remains. So the removed part will be 1/4, right? And so on. Clear? Over here we'll directly say that this is how the series is formed because it's minus 2. Clear? Yes or no? Now third one. How many can tell me the third one? The cost of digging the well every meter, it's same as the taxi one. It is same as the taxi's numerical. Cost of digging a well, every meter of digging, it costs 150 rupees for the first meter and rises 50 by each for each subsequent meter. It is same as the taxi one, right? First number will be 150. The For the second meter it will be 150 plus 50, which is 200. And for the third number again it will become 250, then 300, then 350, right? And which goes on. So do you think this forms an AP? Yes, no? because the common difference over here is 50. Okay, you'll have to mention this line. Kindly copy it down everyone, this one. Make sure you have copied each and every line. I'm pausing the video for you to properly note it down. Starting off with the next part, which is question number 1's part 4. So over here class 8's concept will be revised of yours. Amount of money every year when the principal amount is 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8 per annum. Okay, so since you know the formula for amount is 1 plus r by 100 to the power n, where n is your time. So we put n is equals to 1 and then calculate, you'll be getting this number, right? And the second number you don't majorly have to calculate because we can simply see out here. Once will be, it will be 1 times, this will be square and this will be the cube, right? So obviously squares cubes cannot be the same thing, the difference cannot be the same, right? You all agree with this? Amount for the first year will be principal into 1 plus r by 100, right? And time is 1. So when you solve this for the next year, this will become 2, this will become 3 for the third year. So obviously the difference will never come out to be the same, right? So we'll say that the series cannot form an AP as the common difference is not same. Is it clear? You can understand this with a very small example. If I square something up like 3 square is 9, 9 square is 3 square to the 3 to the power cube is 27. You cannot take the difference to be the same. Yesterday we did this thing, right? 9 minus 6, this is 18. Simply see the difference will never be equal when you are squaring things. Is this numerical clear? Yes or no? This one was just to tell that it's an AP or not. Now comes the main thing, question number 2. You have to write the first 4 terms of AP. Look very carefully how things are done. First term has been given to us as 10 and D has been given to us as 10, right? So we know, first of all you have to write, we know Tn is equals to how much? A plus n minus 1 into D. Yesterday we taught only 3 formulas, right? So you have to calculate, first term has been given to us, so no issues. You have to calculate the second term. Second term will be, in place of 10 you substitute 10 and then n minus 1, since we are calculating the second term, we will be writing 2 minus 1 into D. D is 10. Clear? 10 plus 10 is 20. This is your second term. Your third term will become how much? 10 plus 3 minus 1 into 10, which is how much? 30. Is anybody having any problem with this? T4 will become A plus 4 minus 1 into D, which is 10, which is 40. Clear? 20, 30, 40 and similarly T5 will come out to be 50. So here are your first 4 terms. Clear? Yeah, you can do it like this also, you can do it like this also. It is the same thing. Clear? This will be your required series. I hope people have understood this much. Kindly confirm everyone, yes, no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Should we move on to the second one? Now the second one is this one. Please type it out in the chat box. Let's see how many get the correct answer. A has been given to us as minus 2, D is given to us as 0. Tell me what will be the first 4 terms. Tell me what will be the first 4 terms. Hurry up. Let's see the chat box. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Is everybody sure? Is the common difference 0? Acha, the common difference is 0. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So answer will be minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. I thought the first term is 0 and the common difference is minus 2. No issues. This will be your first term, first 4 terms, right? I hope people have no issue with this thing, because you keep on adding 0 to any number, it will give you that number itself, right? The third question is right here. Tell me the answer in the chat box first. I hope people have no issues with the second one. Type out the answer for the third numerical. Yes, how many are done? Let's see the chat box. 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. Very good. Keep subtracting. Minus 3, you'll be getting the answer as 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. I hope people have no issues with this. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Moving on to the fourth one. This one is a bit trickier one. Let's see. I have got two answers from Agnik and no, only from no, Agnik has also answered. Good Surya and Agnik, and rest of you sleeping. Both have answered correctly. Minus 1 minus plus half will give you this, since the series is going in negative direction. Then again, when you add up half, you'll be getting 0. Then again, adding up half, you'll be getting half. So the series will come out to be minus 1, half, 0 and half, and which will go on. Clear, everyone? This is the required first 4 terms. Is this thing clear? Now from here, can anybody tell me what is the 8th term? Hurry up, calculate and tell me what is the 8th term. Hurry up, hurry up. Tell me what is the 8th term in the chat box. Sure, 4.5. If people don't know how to calculate, this is a simple formula. 8 minus 1 is 7d. You substitute the value for a, which is minus 1, and then plus 7d. A plus 7d. Okay, when you add 7D, then you'll get the answer. Clear, everyone?
It will be minus 4 point,
Minus 4.5 will be your answer. Okay?
what sir, it should be 2.5.
I'll just carried away. Okay, then moving on to the solution, we'll be getting as 7D, right? So minus 1, I'll have to write away from this. Did everybody get the answer as minus 4.5? Because this thing is lagging a bit.
But I got 2.5. Sir, it should be 2.5.
2.5, minus 4 by 2, 4. You can leave it as fraction or as decimal depending on whatever the question is saying. ठीक है? If your D is in fraction, you can leave it in fraction, no issues. Clear? Now moving on to the fourth one, it's 2.5 only. Clear? Moving on to the fifth one, we want to calculate the values for A, B and C. मतलब this first, second and the third term. Now, I believe 3-4 students have got the answer for the fifth one. The first 4 terms will be minus 1.25, minus 1.5, minus 1.75 and minus 2. Clear? Now, whenever your A and D will be in fractions, you'll have to give your answer in fractions. Clear? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
People are done with this much, and can everybody see the screen properly?
Yes, sir.
Now for the following AP, write down the first term and the common difference. What will be the first term in question number 3, first part?
Sir, 3.
Very good. And the common difference? 1 minus 3, right? It will be 1 minus 3, which will be equals to minus 2. Clear? What will be the common first term for question number 2? First term will be 5, and what will be the common difference? Minus 1 minus minus 5, which will be plus 5, right? Giving us minus 1 minus of minus 5 will be plus 5, giving us as 4. Did everybody get the answer as 4? Everybody try out this one and this one. I'll be finally telling you the answer because these are very simple numericals. Pausing the video, kindly do the third and the fourth one. Good. Now I will be disclosing the answers. The third one, you'll be getting the first term as 1/3, and the second, the common difference will be how much? 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3 will be giving you 4 by 3. Is there any doubt? 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. This is your common difference. For the fourth one, what you will have, the first term as 0.6, and the common difference will be 1.7 minus 1.6 gives you 1.1. How many have these answers?
Yes, sir.
1.5, 1.1 as a common difference and 0.6 as your first term. Clear? Are these numericals clear to everyone? These are very simple and the basic numericals. Yes or no? Should we move on to the fourth one? Which of the following APs, if they are APs, we have to look down if they are APs and find the common difference and write three more terms. Did you understand? Like you'll have to check the first is the series is in AP. If the series is in AP, you have to find common difference and then write the next three terms. Clear? So can anybody tell if the first one is in AP or not?
No, sir.
Obviously, because 4 minus 2 is 2 and 8 minus 4. First common difference is this and the second difference is 4. Right? So we cannot say it's in AP. So the first one gets ruled out. Now, did everybody understand why is the first one getting ruled out? Yes or no? Because the common difference doesn't stay the same. We'll have to take the common difference out at each and every level. Clear? And then say that it is not same throughout, therefore the series does not form an AP. Clear everyone? Now can anybody tell me if the second one is forming an AP or not?
Yes, sir.
Go on to subtract.
Yes, sir.
This will be 2.5. So 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, the common difference is same throughout, right? So we'll say that this is an AP. Its common difference is half. So what will be the next three terms? Let's see how many can find it out fast. Tell me the next three terms for this series in the chat box. Tell me the next three terms as these forms the AP. Next three terms are written. Anantajit 9/2. What is this dollar? 5. Looks alright. The next three terms will be 4, 9/2 and 5. Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is a very easy one. Now this question number 4, assignment for today. Assignment for today will be question number 4th. Clear? This is question number 4. Clear? Now I'm pausing the video. Let me know if you have any doubts regarding to this.